It's great news that the Senedd has had its energy rating upgraded from a C to a B. It's now one of the most energy efficient public buildings in the UK. It was designed to be open, accessible and sustainable for future generations in Wales, and we're going the right way. Still a little bit more work to do maybe, but it's great news for this building. It's good news that Ty Hywel's energy rating has gone up from G to F, but we've still got a long way to go. We're working with the Carbon Trust and with ARA, because at the end of the day we're working with a building that was designed in the 80s, so we're limited at the moment in what we can do, and obviously there are cost implications in improving the energy rating, but we're determined to do that. But you know, we all need to work together as well in that building to ensure that we don't waste energy, but that we make the most of what we've got over there.